Hi everyone, Miss Kelly here with a quick and easy DIY to do with your children at home. All you need is to go to your store and pick up 2 flyers and then get a piece of paper and fold it into sections so that you can cut out cards to place pictures that you will cut out of your flyers. I cut out some pictures of grapes and glued them on to the back of my paper. And I also cut out 2 identical pictures of clementines. And I can glue them onto my paper. And then you can make even more cards, as many as you would like. You can make it as easy or hard. So you take your pictures and then you turn them over and you can have a matching game and turn them over and try to find the matches. Another fun thing you can do is to sort them into different food groups when you make lots of cards. And this is a great literacy activity to do with your child. Environmental print is one of the first steps in reading. So when they see the title at the top and see No Frills, and they begin to start recognizing the names of different stores, and the M is McDonald's and Canadian Tire, and so your child is learning so much by doing this activity, and it's great for their cognitive skills and so many different learning skills, and it's fun and easy. And to cut with scissors, you're also using your fine motor skills. So I hope you have fun trying out this quick, easy DIY at home.